In color black denim, we have a 2017 Harley-Davidson FXDB Dyna Street Bob. Right off the bat, you can see upgraded headlight and super quick disconnect windshield, or just windshield with quick disconnect hardware. Color is black denim, a little sinister. Checking the miles, under 5,200 as of right this moment. Previous owner also added Willie G fuel gauge and fuel cap. Bike's in incredibly great condition. Really excellent aftermarket seat. Can't tell if that's LL, LD, LP, something. Starts with an L. Nice looking seat. Low miles, late model, excellent condition, and ready for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.